You want to scale your e-commerce store to 100K a month? Let me break it down for you, step by step. This isn't about luck, hype, or overnight magic. I've scaled brands to over 5 figures in a day, and today I'm giving you the roadmap to do the same. Let's jump in. First, let's get this clear. Scaling isn't about pushing for sales at any cost. It's about profitable, sustainable growth. You're not here to run a fly-by-night operation. You're here to build a real business. Now, let's lay the groundwork. Your ad strategy is the backbone of scaling, period. Here's the exact framework. Start with purchase campaigns. Forget engagement or traffic campaigns. Focus on purchase conversions from day one. Start with $20 a day or more if your margins allow. Test 3. Audiences. Minimum, don't guess. Separate your ad sets by audience segments and let the data tell you what works. Pixel integration is a must. If your Shopify store isn't synced with your pixel, stop right now and fix it. Bad data, chuck bad decisions. Be patient. Let ads run for at least 3 days before making changes. Scaling isn't for the impatient. Focus on the metrics that matter. Track spend, cost per purchase, CTR, CPC, add to carts, purchases, and ROAS. These numbers tell the story of what's working and what's not. Scaling isn't about chasing revenue if you're bleeding profit. You need to manage profitability slow and steady. Here's how to tighten up your ROAS. Retarget smart. Run campaigns targeting visitors who didn't buy within the last 30 days. This is your low-hanging fruit. Dynamic remarketing ads. If you've got a variety of products, use dynamic ads to show people what they've already viewed. It's almost unfair how effective this is. Cut the dead weight. Kill underperforming audiences and shift budgets to the ad sets that are actually converting. Placement optimization. Dive into the data. Who's converting by age, gender, placement, duplicate ad sets to scale what works. Fix your landing pages. If your page isn't converting, your ads don't stand a chance. Tools like the Beautify AI theme are designed to boost conversions with features like sticky add to cart buttons, reviews, and quantity breaks. Scaling isn't just about spending more, it's about squeezing more revenue from every customer. Here's what works. Bundles and discounts. Create frequently bought together bundles or tiered discounts. People can't resist a good deal. Beautify AI theme has this included. Email marketing that converts. Use tools like Klaviyo to recommend products based on purchase data. Don't spam, make it personal and relevant. Now here's the part no one wants to hear. Scaling too fast will destroy you. Trust me, I've learned this the hard way. Here's how to scale sustainably. Test your product market fit. No amount of ad spend can fix a product people don't want. Listen to feedback and refine consistently. Scale ads slowly. Increase ad spend by 20% per week. If you're getting good results, don't throw cash at campaigns without data to back it up. Automate smartly. Use tools like Klaviyo for email flows and inventory management software to reduce human error. Free up your time to focus on strategy and growth. Use tools like ChatGPT to help with the copy, and many of these tools have AI-generated email features to save time and templates. Scaling to 100K plus a month isn't some secret formula. It's about consistency, patience, and data-driven decisions. Dial in your ads, keep cost per purchase in check, and focus on sustainable growth. Take it slow and the results will come. If this video helped, drop a comment below. Let me know what part of scaling you're struggling with. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day, take care, and goodbye.